You know that feeling? Incredible fried chicken, perfectly crisp on the outside, juicy on the inside, and with a glaze that's just delicious? We are bringing that magic right into your kitchen, and you might be surprised how simple it is. No fancy equipment, just easy secrets to unlock the best soy glazed chicken you have ever made. First up, our star boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Easy. Salt, pepper, a little soy sauce to get that flavor journey started. Give it a quick mix, let it rest for 20 minutes, and already you are halfway to delicious. While that's doing its thing, let's create our irresistible soy glaze. Soy sauce, a touch of honey for sweetness, rice vinegar for the tang, a little water, a pinch of chili if you like that kick, freshly grated garlic and ginger. Simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the starch slurry and gently cook until it thickens into a beautiful glossy glaze. See, no complicated steps, just building the flavor. Now for our first secret, the double fry. First you need to coat chicken generously in cornstarch for that ultimate crisp. While that's happening, let's get our frying station ready. You will need a pot or a pan deep enough for safe frying. I am using my trusty cast iron pan with about 3 centimeters of a high smoke point oil. Now, how do you know oil is at the right temperature? You can use a kitchen thermometer or my personal favorite, wooden chopsticks. For wooden ones, briefly dip them in water before submerging in the oil. That little bit of moisture helps form bubbles and shows you exactly when it's ready. The chicken is coated, let's start cooking. Heat that oil to 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit. This first fry gets the chicken cooked through, tender and just pale. Fry in a single layer 5 to 6 minutes, making sure chicken doesn't stick. But here is the real trick. Let it rest on a wire rack for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows moisture to come to the surface, ready for the second transformative fry. Crank that oil up to 190 Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. Put them back just for 2-3 minutes. Watch them turn golden brown. Remove them back to the wire rack to drain. Hear that crunch? That's the sound of perfection. Now for the grand final. You can either toss the chicken right in the glaze before serving for more crunch, or plate it and drizzle it generously. Either way, the result is pure magic. Finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds, fresh green onions. This isn't just fried chicken, it's an experience. Crispy, sticky, savory, sweet. It hits all the right notes. Ready to elevate your weeknight dinner? Give this a try and let me know in the comments below what's your go-to comfort food. Subscribe, happy cooking, and I will see you next time.